Republic, and we stay with the big news this morning as today is the first day when passenger train services are resuming. Remember, this is the first phase from New Delhi, 15 locations that have been chosen from where the trains will go and will be brought back. 30 trains in all that have been planned in the first phase and 8 trains that are all set to ply today. Now, talking about today itself, in about an hour from now is when the first train from the national capital will be leaving for Howrah. The schedule for today has trains running from Howrah to New Delhi, Rajendra Nagar to New Delhi, New Delhi to Dibrugarh, Mumbai to New Delhi, Bengaluru to New Delhi, New Delhi to Bengaluru, New Delhi to Bilaspur and Ahmedabad to New Delhi. I want to cut across to my colleague Anuj, who's joining us from the New Delhi railway station. Anuj, while there is a sense of relief that life is slowly coming back to normal, train services have resumed, there is a parallel fear as well because everyone has to be extremely precautious of how and when they are traveling. Of course, the railways that have been taking all the necessary measures to ensure that utmost precaution is taken. What do you see around yourself?
Well, exactly at this point in time, I'm reporting from New Delhi railway station, and as we do remember that the third phase came with a more relaxation, and yes, you pointed it out, this is going to be the first day from when now the train services will resume. But everything is being kept in mind, as you are pointing it out very rightly, that the precautions need to be taken, and that's something which is being discussed, which is being advised by the railways. I was just inside the railway station where I was seeing, rather the camera is not allowed at this point in time inside the premises, and there I was seeing that how for the social distancing circles are being made in, how full station is being sanitized again and again. This will be the AC coaches only. Only the AC coaches will be there in the trains which will be running today. And let me tell you, first let me give you the brief also if we talk about the trains which is going to be starting from the New Delhi station. So I have the list with me. This is a New Delhi Bilaspur at 4 p.m. today. And after that, this is New Delhi Dibrugarh at 4:45 and New Delhi Bengaluru at 9:15. So this is going to be 3 trains from the New Delhi railway station which is going to be departed. The trains will depart from New Delhi railway station. Whereas, let me also give you the sense of the security and the arrangement that have been done. Even the media personalities and the containment is not allowed. So there you can see the barricading, the kind of barricading that has been done therein. So no passengers are allowed before the time. Nobody is allowed to visit the station. Everybody has been told very clearly that the precaution need to be taken and everything has to be kept in mind. Let me tell you, the Piyush Goyal, Railway Minister himself discussed everything with the Prime Minister, and after this plan came in action, and this is going to be today, the first day from when this services will be starting. On the other hand, let me give you the sense of the roads also. So the people are not allowed at this point in time, whosoever has booked their ticket by the process, the railway department has made it clear, the people are not allowed before the time. They can't come to the railway station, they can't wait there, they have to be on their time. So that's something what we have been told, that every precaution is being taken. So this is going to be different places today, from New Delhi to Bengaluru, New Delhi to Dibrugarh, and one more train which is going to depart from the New Delhi railway station. Whereas when I was telling you just that I was also inside the premises, so there we are seeing how the staff is being maintaining the social distancing circles being made in. It's like it has been arranged accordingly, according to the coaches, and according to the coaches there are circles on the platform. So everybody has to maintain the social distancing. Arogya Setu app is also mandatory. So that is something which has been said by the railway department. You need to have the app because the Prime Minister himself has given the same message to the people that how much important that particular app is. So you need to have that app in your mobile. Only that then you are allowed. So there, from this point, this is going to be the entry point of the railway station. From here, they have to take the left, and that's at the main entry where the numbers of police personnel, including the RAF, including the GRP, which is the forces deployed at the railway station, they are very much deployed. There is a heavy deployment of RAF personnel, railway police force, RPF, I beg your pardon, and on the other hand, this is GRP, who are deployed on the railway station. Whereas if you talk about the other staff, then station superintendents are there. At this point in time when we are talking, let me tell you, 3 station superintendent is planning the things. They are looking into the things, and everything is being reported to their seniors, and from there to the railway ministry. So this has been monitored at every level, because this is going to be very important. The movement when the government is giving the relaxation, as I just quoted earlier, that the third phase started with more relaxation, and this is going to be very important. The kind of measures that has to be taken and everything has to be kept in mind. So this is to wait and watch at 4 p.m. today how it works. But yes, this is the new movement by the government of India. Back to you.
Yes. Yes. All right, and stay on with us. I believe Shantashri is also joining us from somewhere around where you are. Shantashri, how would you like to add to what Anuj is saying?
The number of trains will be increased. What we also have to understand is...
Well, my colleague Anuj has rightly pointed out everything that has been mentioned in the notification that was issued by Ministry of Home Affairs, and as well as the standing operating procedure that had been mentioned yesterday before the special train is going to start today. Yes, the first train that is going to start from New Delhi is to Bilaspur at 4 p.m. It has several stoppages, and right now I can show you around that this is the entry point to New Delhi railway station. All the passengers will have to have confirmed tickets in their hand, and those who are asymptomatic and who are wearing masks and properly doing the sanitization method will be carried out with them, and then only an entry will be made. Remember, only 90 minutes prior to the train leaves, all these passengers have been asked to be present at the railway station, and 15 minutes before the train leaves, no entry will be allowed. And all the passengers have been asked to bring their own products like linens, curtains, as well as pillows if they are willing to carry them forward, and also carry a light weightage. They have to wear masks throughout the journey. So these are the conditions that had been set by the standing operating procedure that was issued yesterday by Ministry of Home Affairs. And yes, police and as Anuj just mentioned, that RPF, everybody is present over here in order to not only check that whether these passengers are registered upon Arogya Setu app, which is the tracker for COVID-19 in India. It is very much mandatory that they has to be registered on that app, and there will be temperature checks which will be done at the entry point, and those patients who are asymptomatic, only they will be allowed with confirmed tickets on board the train. So there are so many conditions that had to be met in order to board these special trains that have been run. Remember, these are only AC coaches that have been booked, and yesterday we had seen the huge number of ticket booking that had taken place. Within 3 hours, there had been a ticket booking of 30,000 tickets, and of course 54,000 passengers are willing to travel on these special trains. So clearly shows that how desperate these citizens are of India, that they had been stranded in various parts of the country just because of the lockdown that was extending for the last 3 phases. So clearly we see that everything is prepared. Police personnel, the security personnel, all are prepared to handle this kind of footfall of passengers just after the 3rd phase of lockdown. So yes, it is a mammoth exercise, and as my colleague just pointed out, everything is being monitored. Yes, Vesha.
Absolutely. Shantashri and Anuj, thank you for all those updates, and of course we'll keep coming back to you through the day to really understand how the exercise is unfolding on day